The STA is very simple to maintain, and it actually tells you when you need to perform the routine maintenance. When you first turn the drive unit on after 25 injection cycles, the first thing it will do is say lubricate O-ring and plunger. When your device makes this announcement, the first thing you're going to do is shut it back off. You are then going to push and hold the hold to retract button. While you're holding that button in with your free hand, reach around and turn the unit back on at the same time. This will cause the plunger to extend out of the top of the drive unit. Once it is fully extended, the first thing you're going to do is check it for tightness. Grab it between your thumb and forefinger, turn it all the way to the right as far as it will go. The plunger can get loose over time as it screws on and off left to right. That can affect the flow of anesthetic. So make sure that it's nice and tight. The lubricant should only be Milestone silicone lubricant. These tubes of lubricant come in every box of hand pieces that you purchase for the STA. They are tiny. They just get tossed in the boxes. Sometimes you have to dig around and look for them. I suggest that you tape the silicone lubricant to the back of the drive unit, because you're not going to know when it's going to tell you that it needs to be lubricated, and you may not use anything but this. So it's nice to have it right there ready to go. I've tightened the plunger. If I'm going to lubricate the unit, I am going to put a very small pea-sized amount right at the very top of the plunger, right on that flat spot above the O-ring. You can then with your finger just kind of rub it around the O-ring a little bit. Do not apply the lubricant to the plunger itself. Don't put it down in the well it came out of. You don't want to over lubricate it. This tube should last you a long time. And if we over lubricate it, this can cause it to malfunction. So you don't want to do that. The O-rings on the plunger typically last a year or more with normal use. The only reason you would ever need to replace it is if it is cracked. And a new bag of O-rings comes with every new STA. Just tuck them away somewhere because you don't need them very often. Now that I've completed the maintenance, tighten the plunger, place the lubricant, I'm going to tap the hold to retract button one time. Just regain the focus, and the plunger will go back down. That's all you ever have to do. Only do it when it tells you to. Tighten the plunger, don't use too much lubricant, and you're going to save yourself a lot of problems down the road just doing the proper maintenance.